Hello, we're going to do some simple areas and perimeters, starting with this shape here, then this shape and then this shape. To do area, we're going to need a couple of formulas. So the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. Area of circle. We're also going to need the area of a triangle, half the base times the height. And we'll also need to, if we're going to do perimeter, we're going to need to find the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Okay, and to do that we're going to use Pythagoras. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And let's do the shape first of all. So as we're looking at this shape, hopefully you can see that okay, we've got a radius of 8 centimeters. So the first thing we're going to do, because this is a semicircle, half a circle, we're going to work out the full circle area, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So the radius is 8, and I'm going to use, for pi, I'm going to use 3.142, if my calculator ever works, times 8 times 8, that's 8 squared, and that's 201.088. So here, the full circle, 201.88, and then we're going to divide that by 2 to give us a semicircle. Divide by 2 is equal to 100.544. Centimeters squared. Then we come to the triangle, which is this shape here, of course, and that's got a base of 24 centimeters and it's got a height of 16 centimeters. Remember, the radius is half of the diameter. So in this particular case, the semicircle, so the triangle, has a height of 16 centimeters. So taking half the base as 24, half of 24 is 12. We have 12 times 16. Pop that into the calculator. Is equal to 192. Centimeters squared. And so when we add those together, that would give us, for this shape, a full area of 292.54 centimeters squared. So that's how we do the area. Oops, whack the camera. Now to find the perimeter, we need to find the circumference of the circle, half that, and then find the hypotenuse here. So first things first, for the circumference of a circle is pi times d. Pi times the diameter, or 2 times the radius. That's equal to 3.142 times 16, and we're going to divide all of that by 2 because it's a semicircle. Okay. So that gives us 25.136 centimeters. Then we have the triangle. So I'm going to use, this will be side A, this will be side B, which you probably can't see now, and this will be side C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. just push this up a little bit. I'm not quite sure how much camera I've got here. It's quite awkward leaning over. So a squared, so we have 16 squared plus b here plus 24 squared is equal to c squared. So I'll quickly write those out. So we've got 16 times 16, 256, I should have known that, plus 24 times 24, 576. So to find c squared, what we've got, we see is squared here, so we must square root the other side. And if we do that, we'll be able to find this hypotenuse here. So we've got 576 plus 256, 832. So if we take the square root of 832, the square root of 832 is 28.84. So now we have the semicircle. So if I take all of these together, we've got the semicircle here, which is 25.136. We have the bottom or the base of the triangle, which is 24. And we also have the hypotenuse, which is 28.84. So if we add all those together, that gives us 77.976. And that is, of course, centimetres. And that is how we would work out the area of the shape and the perimeter. Okay, on to the next one.